Hey, buddy. Let's do this, buddy. Okay, now, Akban. I need you to hold brick. Hold brick real tight. I gotta tighten this. I put this here. Watch out for my finger. Nice watch you got there, Akban. I like the watch. Okay, buddy. Hey, I need you to get the clay and the dirt over there. Ahmed. I got the buddy. You got the dirt? That's okay. I got the buddy. Ahmed, these damn rocks, Akban. How come nobody bring gloves? Because, and buddy, you wear flip-flops? We don't need gloves. It's no glove and flippy-floppy day, buddy. Ahmed. I don't care. Crazy, you and your flippy-floppies. You have that on the big jobs, buddy. What you got, purple bag? Yeah, I'm gonna play with my purple bag here, nice buddy. You got nice white shirt, too. You took that out my closet? Out the closet, buddy. Now we take that. You just sit there and play with your little sympathy. You don't pay attention to me, buddy. Okay. Yeah. Hey, you put it like this. Make you don't tell me how to pack my sympathy. I already know how to pack my sympathy. Pack the mud. You do your thing, like the buddy. Way I pack the mud. Everybody has flip-flop day. Just stand back, give me a hard time all the time, buddy. I'm gonna put this in here, just like this, okay? You see? And then, yeah, just like, get it out. I'm gonna play in this for a minute here. Yep. Oh, okay. Did you get that out of my cat little box, buddy? I'm gonna keep this. I'll bring this home, okay? That's my kitty little buddy. You guys don't care? Man, no, we don't care. We're gonna tap on this end right here. And tap. And play tap. Yeah, you guys just sit there, play tap. Okay, buddy? It seemed okay. Hey, Harold. Yeah, that seemed okay? You got boots? Okay, I think that seemed okay. I thought we all agreed. You know what? I don't care, buddy. I wear my boots, buddy. I'm not no stupid. You're always out of sync with us. I don't care. I'm not trying to lose toes, buddy. Give me that. Next time you ask for that nice one. Heat this up. Time to heat this up. No, buddy, you let me get out of the way, buddy. I'm not trying to lose my eyebrows, buddy. Now, everybody, stand real close. Please do not like that, yeah, buddy. I need you to stand real close while I like this. Okay. I get out of the way, buddy. Safety first, everybody. Safety first. And here we go. You ready? Oh, yeah. Oh, buddy. We got buddy, that's hot, buddy. S'mores today, guys. That's like hot. Oh, yeah. It was like the curry your wife made last night. That was super hot, buddy. Super hot. It really burnt my asshole. Yep, do you see how we packed it down? You need to tell her sometimes, buddy. We packed it down real good. That chip was really hot, buddy. Oh, yeah. You don't always get to play with the fire, buddy. Now, you tell me. Put your fingers in. I'm going to tap that part there. It's pretty hot. Yep. That looks hot, buddy. Hey. You know what? This time I was with my wife's sister. I heard that over there, she make this curry. I tell you what, the curry was as hot as that fire over there. Yeah, we got yeah, buddy, that's what I just said, that the curry was hot, buddy. Hey. Yeah, scratch my ass. Jabbar, get your fingers out your ass. You like my hat? You know. No, what's that thing 99? All day. No, I think that looks stupid on you, buddy. Look cool. Better than the rags you got. That shit is hot. That's up, buddy. Now, hey, guys, I'm gonna put this on top of you. Let me get out the way, my... No, don't put that out there. No, just leave it here. That looks stupid. Oh. We go. Oh, yeah, little firework. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Is it supposed to do that? Oh, guys, yeah, I think it's supposed to do that, buddy. I don't know, buddy. Guys. What do you think? You better watch out, buddy. Yeah. That piece of paper. Buddy. That could catch fire, guys. What? Look. Safety first, what do you think? Everybody. You think we should? Let's make some torches, buddy. Think that's funny, buddy? Yeah, it's not funny. That could caught fire, guys. Yeah, you better watch out for your little black buddy.
Oh shit.
You cut your head on fire, buddy.
Oh, I got melted. That's hot.
Your nice little scarf hat, buddy.
Oh, that's hot.
That's a nice scarf hat, buddy.
Yeah, fuck
no,
that.
No,
I'm
march
not
on the
making
torches,
torch
buddy.
now. I talk about that. No, not
Oh,
today.
buddy, look at that, buddy.
I got my little hacky sack.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with
No,
this
let
for
me
a
do
little
it,
bit,
buddy.
guys.
Buddy, I
Check this
wanted
bucket
to
out.
do that, buddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna take over here.
Oh, you're such an asshole, buddy.
That's hot.
I told you that was my turn. I wanted to do that,
play with
buddy.
this for a little bit. Look, pip, pip.
You did not tap,
I'm gonna come over here a little bit and pip, pip,
tap.
pip, pip.
No,
And knock this off
you know
in
what?
little
That
crusties.
really put me up, buddy. I told you.
That's
I
you
told
back
you.
today, you crusty.
Told you I wanted to do that, buddy. That was my turn to
Okay.
do that, buddy.
No.
Hey. Can I do something, buddy? Somebody,
you guys
please let me
bring
do
yourself
something.
back here.
I'm tired of being the cameraman, buddy. No more cameraman. Every time we go on these jobs,
right over here.
I don't.
Come on.
the scarf
the
looks
scarf?
stupid on you, buddy.
It's 103 degrees out, but I got my scarf
Every time we
on
go
and
on these big jobs, buddies, you always
we
make
gotta
me
make
hold
sure
the camera, buddy.
We keep these bricks, okay,
I'm
guys?
tired of holding the camera, buddy.
Knock all the crusty
I'm
dirt
done.
off.
You guys always take advantage of me,
Oh
buddy.
yeah, look at that.
I don't like it, buddy.
That's a fine job there.
No, buddy.
Couldn't have done it better without you guys.
Okay, you know what, buddy? I'll be supervisor then. You put that right there. Right there, buddy. You listen to me, buddy. Now, watch your little
Thank you,
hat
guys.
scarf there, buddy. You catch it on fire,
Sticking with
buddy.
the no glove day today.
Your little hat scarf get to touching it.
I really
to
appreciate
catch
that.
fire, buddy.
This is definitely a job. We
Okay, buddy.
do not need safety gloves.
Now
At all.
listen.
No safety
Once you
gloves.
screw that in.
I got my book.
Shut up.
I'm gonna say a little prayer.
No, buddy. You don't
over
tell me,
this.
buddy. No, buddy.
Oh, dear railroad track. I hope that we fixed it good, and it should be good. I'm happy with it.
Yeah, buddy. I think it looked like shit, buddy. But
that's it.
it doesn't look good, buddy. I don't
like
think
that.
we should just leave this on the track like that, buddy.
Yep.
I think it might derail the train, buddy.
I think we're good, guys.
You know what, buddy?
Oh shit!
You dumb, buddy.
Shamali. It ran out of fuel.
We're not gonna leave it under, buddy.
No.
We take it off, buddy. This is why we
That's
don't let
okay.
you
It's
work on
still
this,
hot. We're
buddy.
good.
You just don't think, see, buddy? We tap. We take it off. We tap it off, buddy. Yeah, buddy. I think you need to start tapping on that, buddy. It looks kind of cool now, buddy. Okay? And if it's okay with you, buddy, I'm going to take that clay over there and give it to little Assad today, buddy, okay? Give it to little Assad. I tell him, you make me a plate, okay, buddy? He can make me a plate with that mud over there, okay, buddy? You keep doing that. It look a lot better, buddy. I think we might not derail train now, buddy.
Hey, Shameed, guess what? I'm begging to say I got take your wife down tonight.
Buddy, that's not funny, buddy. I always knew there was something going on, buddy.
Okay.
What do you think about that leaf you chew on, buddy?
What do you think about this one, huh?
You think that leaf is good, buddy?
Chewing on my leaf right
now.
here.
Not that good, buddy.
That tastes like
had bird poopies on it, buddy. Next time you need to check on the leaf and make sure there's no poopies on it, buddy.
Fine job, dear.
I still think this looks like crap,
Real
buddy.
fine job.
We got to do something about this, buddy.
I
I think we need
that's
to.
as good as new.
We need to take one of them papers with the
Man.
little rough edges on the paper,
We're
and then I think that we
We're
need to
just on
rub it
top
on
of
it a
it.
couple times, buddy.
We are
Do you
on
know?
top of it.
That's it. That's
That
it.
guys knows play.
You mean sandpaper, buddy?
Balance on the beam.
Yeah, sandpaper, buddy.
That can't man trying to start this thing. Fuck this.
I told you, buddy. So let me try. There you go, buddy. That's it. The sandpaper.
Ooh, wiggle with it. Yeah. Wiggle,
Just like
wiggle.
that, buddy. You do a good
There's a
job,
little
buddy.
dance move I
You do a
learned.
real good
Wiggle,
job,
wiggle.
buddy. You make a whole 12 cents today, buddy. Now, see, that look good, buddy. That look real good, guys.